Most people think you need a Mac Mini, a laptop that never closes, or a terminal open all day to run OpenClaw properly. You do not. In this video, I'm going to install OpenClaw using nothing but my phone, run it, connect it to Telegram, and turn this phone into the remote control for an AI agent that never sleeps. This is by far the easiest route I have found to install OpenClaw from your phone. And by the end of this video, you should have OpenClaw fully installed and running. So let's get into it. OpenClaw is powerful, but the normal setup can be intimidating for a lot of people. People hear AI agent and immediately think they need to open a terminal, install Node, configure a server, keep a computer awake, manage APIs, and pray that nothing breaks. And for a lot of people, that is where they stop. Not because they don't understand AI, but because the setup feels long and honestly annoying. But the whole point of an AI assistant is that it should be available when you need it. If I'm away from my laptop, I still want to be able to message my agent. If I'm on a walk, I still want to ask it to research something. If I'm traveling, I still want it running. The clean setup is phone is your remote control, your cloud server is your always on machine, OpenClaw is your AI gateway, and Telegram is your chat interface. That is what we are building here today. All right, let's get started installing OpenClaw through our phone. This is the entire architecture. Your phone sends a message through Telegram. Telegram sends that message to your OpenClaw instance. OpenClaw runs in the cloud, so it stays online even when your phone is closed or your laptop is closed, whatever. Then it replies back to you in Telegram. That's it. I'll be using Hostinger for this installation because at least right now, this is one of the easiest routes I have found for getting OpenClaw online with a one-click installation. Could you do this cheaper somewhere else? Probably. Could you use Railway, Hetzner, DigitalOcean, a Raspberry Pi, a Mac Mini, or some other VPS? Absolutely. But this video is about the least intimidating path that I've found. If there's another reliable one-click OpenClaw install that is easier than this, use that. The point is not Hostinger. The point is getting OpenClaw running 24/7 without turning this into a server admin tutorial. And first, I'm going to be looking for the Hostinger OpenClaw installation through my phone. And what I've done, all I've done right here is just open Google and type in Hostinger OpenClaw. And as you can see, one of the first search results is one-click OpenClaw, your 24/7 AI assistant, which I can go on, press get started, and here you can start choosing your plan. So let's look at the different plans. Managed OpenClaw for zero effort, fully managed running AI agents with zero setup, infrastructure management, or configuration. And this is going to be the less management setup, the one where Hostinger handles most of the infrastructure. And then we'll have OpenClaw on VPS, where you still get more control, but you're managing more of the server side. So again, I want to make this as simple as possible. So I'm literally going to choose Managed OpenClaw. This is as easy as it gets. And here we're going to pick out our package. What do we want? So there's a 24-month, which is the best value for this tutorial. Well, I already have an OpenClaw instance, so I don't want a 24-month subscription. I'm going to go for 1 month. Let's see. So they also by default tick on ready to use AI, which if you already have an AI subscription, we can plug that in later. Something like OpenAI, Codex, so on and so forth, but I don't need it. I already have one. Instant web search, that one is free. So I'm just going to tick it. Doesn't cost us anything, and we'll hit continue. All right, and from here I can log in. I'll log in using email, Okay, and then I'll pay using Apple Pay, but whatever you're on, you can just use that to pay. And there you go, congrats, your journey begins now. And I can click get started and we can get started now that we've picked out our plan. All right, and now once we've chosen our plan, now we can get to setting up our OpenClaw. And first, it'll ask us to select a provider. Here you can use an OpenAI API, Anthropic's API, xAI, which is Grok, Gemini, or Nexus. So I'm going to pick Anthropic for this one, and I'll put in my API key here, and that's it. It's setting up OpenClaw as we speak. So I'll just give it some time, and we'll get back once this is at 100%. By the way, I realized there's a game you can play while waiting for it to set up. They're trying to tempt me with bombs. Not today, Satan. My best score was 570. If you're following this installation, let me know what your best score turns out to be. All right, and just like that, our OpenClaw installation is done. Now we need to pick a messaging platform. You can pick Telegram, WhatsApp, or, Discord is coming soon. I am going to pick out Telegram because that's what I personally use the most, but feel free to pick out WhatsApp. And there we go. It's giving us the next steps and instructions. From here, what we're going to want to do is the following. Okay, so from here, you're going to want to open Telegram and search up BotFather. That's the bot that's going to help you create new bots. And just type in new bot /new bot. All right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name. What are we calling this guy? We're going to call him Chloe Jackson bot. Chloe Jackson bot. Good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. Oh, that wasn't the username. Okay. Chloe Jackson bot. Does that work? Done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at Chloe Jackson bot. You can now add a description, blah, blah, blah. Use this token to access the API. So this is the token of my bot. I can copy it and you can go back once you've copied it to your OpenClaw setup and paste your bot's token and click next. All right. And here we're going to go back to Telegram, go to a chat with our bot, Chloe Jackson, and press /start. It's going to give us a Telegram user ID and a pairing code. We're going to take that pairing code, we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it in right here. Okay, and there we go. Once I've clicked /start with my bot, I waited approximately a minute and it showed the pairing code on screen, to which I'm going to press approve. And boom, just like that, we have finished the installation. The screen says you're all set. Access the OpenClaw dashboard and start building your AI assistant. You can manage AI provider from panel. And we can copy the access key for our OpenClaw. We can open our OpenClaw instance, which is exactly what I'm going to go ahead and do right now. And let's test if he replies. And I'm going to see if he replies. If he does, then we are set. Hey, I just came online. Looks like this is a fresh workspace. I'm reading through my Bootstrap files. Hey, I just came online. He's repeating it. Now I've got some questions for you. Who are you? What's my vibe? And now we can start setting up who our OpenClaw is, what we want him to do. But the real test is Telegram. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Telegram and also give it a hi, send it a hi. There we go, it's typing, which is very promising. Typically means we're set up. Hey Charbels, you're the human behind the curtain. Good to meet you. You already christened me Chloe Jackson, so I'm claiming that. And there we go, we can start the setup installation. And here, what I strongly recommend you do is you take your sweet time. This is actually where I want you to spend most of your time. This is the real setup. This is you defining who your OpenClaw is, who you want him to be, how you want him to talk about you. This is also where you get to define who you are, right? Who it knows you as. What I've done personally here is I've literally sent it 10 minutes, 20 minutes long of voice notes, just taking it over. What is my business? Who am I? What are my hobbies? What do I like to do? What do I hate to do? What are my goals? What are my aspirations? Where do I want to be in the next year? Without this information, your bot will struggle. Your OpenClaw will struggle to know what is it helping you with? What is the big vision here? What is the big goal that you're setting for yourself? So that being said, please take your time with this. Do not rush it. Take as much time as you need, and you now have the world at your fingertips. Oh, and also once this works, you can start adding more useful things to your OpenClaw. You can connect Notion, you could connect Gmail, you can connect calendars, or you could create scheduled tasks. You can create different agents for different workflows. I have a ton of video content for things you can do with your OpenClaw. All right, now that we have OpenClaw running 24/7, controlled completely from my phone, the practical benefit is simple. I do not need my laptop open. I do not need a Mac Mini running at home. I don't need to SSH into a server every time I want to talk to my agent. I just open Telegram and message it. This is useful for basic personal assistant workflows, research, reminders, content ideas, daily summaries, and eventually more advanced business automations. But I want to be very clear about the limitations. This is the easiest setup. It's not automatically the most customizable setup. If you want deep local computer control, local browser control, access to files on your laptop, or advanced workflows across multiple machines, you will probably want a local machine or some nodes or Tailscale or a more advanced setup later. But this is an amazing start. Also, do be careful with security. Do not expose your dashboard publicly without authentication. Do not show your Telegram bot token. Do not show API keys. Do not connect sensitive accounts until you understand what the agent can access. Start small, get the agent online, then add power gradually. That is the easiest way I have found to run OpenClaw 24/7 from your phone. If you want to install OpenClaw or even Hermes agent through a cloud server or a local device, I have both of those videos on my channel. You can check those out. Subscribe if you'd love more content like this. And if you ever find an even easier one-click OpenClaw setup, send it to me in the comments. I'd love to test it out. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.